Hi everyone, today I'm going to tell you how you can install WordPress on your local host like XAMPP or WAMP. So please subscribe my channel so that you can view all the latest videos related to this. So let's get started. I will go to Google and firstly I have to install XAMPP, that is the local host. So I'll just install it. What I will do is I will search download XAMPP, that is xampp. And when I will search in the first website, I will just open it and you can easily download XAMPP from this website. So you can download it from here, and as you can see it will open just a new window. It is taking a little time, but so yeah, as you will see, you can just download it on your desktop and anywhere you can, but I have just already downloaded, so I'm not going to install it again. So when you will install XAMPP, when you will do all the process of XAMPP, then what you're going to do next is you're just going to open your C drive, and when you will open your C drive, you're going to see a folder. When you will install XAMPP, a folder of XAMPP will automatically be installed, will be created. Okay, so what you have to do is just open this, and here you can see there are many things. Now the next step is you have to install WordPress folders. So what you will do is you will go to Google and type wordpress.org, and from here you will just download the WordPress. You will click on get WordPress and you can download WordPress 5.4.1. it is the latest one, and you can just save it. So I will show you that I have installed it. As you can see here, this is WordPress 5.4.1 that I have installed it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open my XAMPP folder, okay, this one, and I'll go to htdocs. Always remember you have to work inside the htdocs. After going to htdocs, I will create a new folder. Like suppose I want to create a theme or a new website. I have to create a new website like my new website. So I have created a new folder that is my new website, and it is empty right now. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to keep this folder, zip folder, inside this my folder. Now I want to extract this folder. What I'm going to do is I'm right click and open with WinRAR archiver. That is, it is going to remove the zip and it's going to open the folder, extract the zip folder. So let me click on it and you will see it will just, I'll click on extract to, and I will just on the same place I'm going to extract my WordPress folder, and it will take a little time and it will just extract all the folders from that zip folder. So as you can see, it is taking a little time and it's going to be just complete, and you can see my folder WordPress 5.4.1 that I have installed from the website wordpress.org is being extracted. When I will open it, you can just see it has so many files inside it. That is WP admin content, and these all are very important files. Now what you have to do is you have to select this all by pressing Ctrl A and Ctrl X. It is going to delete it. It's going to be deleted from this folder. You have cut it, and now you'll go to your folder that is my new website, and you are going to paste it by pressing Ctrl V. So when you will click on Ctrl V, your all files will be copied here, and what you're going to do is you're going to delete the folder that is this one and this one. That means now inside your my new website that you have created, inside your htdocs my new website, it have all these files of wordpress.org. We always wanted these files, so that's why we have extracted all those files in my this folder. Now what I'm gonna do is, the next step is I will go to Google and I'm just going to search localhost, because we are working on localhost. So firstly we have to type localhost / we are going to write php my admin, because here what we are going to do is we are going to create a database for a website. I have created my website folder, that is my new website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a database of this. So how you can create it, you can just type localhost php my admin. Oh sorry, I just forgot to tell you one thing, that before using this link you have to on your XAMPP. So what you will do is you can on your XAMPP from here. Like if you go to your XAMPP folder, you can see here at the bottom XAMPP start. So you're gonna click on your XAMPP. Sorry, not XAMPP start. You will click on XAMPP control. Okay, when you will click on XAMPP control, your XAMPP will be opened from here, or you can just search it and open your XAMPP. That's your choice. So as you can see, XAMPP is here. Yeah, so it has been opened. Now before typing this link, it's very important for you that you always start two things, that is Apache and MySQL. Before using your local host, you have to start these things, both two things, that is Apache and MySQL. Always remember this. Now when you have started this, what you can do is you can just open this link, and now this link will work fine, as you will see it as you can see, localhost php my admin is being opened. And now what you have to do is you have to create a new database. You are going to click on new, as you can see here, and when you click on new, you can just write your database name. I am going to write my same name of my website, that is my new website, okay, of my folder. So I write my new website, same name I'm going to use it, and I'm just going to click on create. You have to do only this thing, and now you can see my new website, your database is being created. So now what you can do is now you can go to your website, that is localhost my new website. When I will write a localhost my new website, then you will see what it opens right here. So when you will write localhost and the name of your folder, the name of your website that I have created, it will automatically open a new as you can see, it will say which language you want for your WordPress website. So English is my default language, so I'm gonna select it and click on continue. Now you can just read this. They're going to tell you that you have to just write your database name, your username, your password, and your host. So I'm going to click on let's go, and now they're going to tell you write your database name. So database name is my name that I've kept, that is my new website. And username I'm going to give root. Always remember that username should always be root. You cannot just change it. Always write your username as root. And your password should be empty. Don't write anything inside your password. And you can click on submit, and it will be submitted. So now you can just run your installation, and your WordPress will be installed. Now one more thing you have to do is site title. You can give your site title. I'm going to just give my new website because I'm just using this. Username I can remove it, and I can write info to explore practice, or I can just write my new website same as the username. Or one more thing I can tell you, the best username that you can use it is admin. This is the best. You can use your username admin and your password also as admin, and you can just confirm use of weak password, and you can just write your email if you want or not, but I'm just going to change my password because so I'm just going to install WordPress. And okay, so they're gonna ask you for your email as well, so let me give an email of mine, or I can just give and password. I'm just going to write anything, and I'm going to install WordPress. So email is also very important for you, so just install WordPress and your WordPress will be just installed here. So as you can see, they're going to ask you for your password, so I can just click on no thanks, and they're going to say that success WordPress has been installed. So what you can do is you can just log in and use your WordPress. So I'm going to log in and write admin and my password, and I'm going to click on remember me, so that I whenever I just open it, it's going to open easily, and I'm gonna log in it, and you can see my WordPress dashboard from here. So what I'm going to do is, in the next lecture I'm going to tell you how you can create or develop your own theme. So basically I'm going to tell you theme development in WordPress. So you can just subscribe me so that you can see my next lecture. Thank you.